Thank you, Abhijit. We are working with ratio tables today. Equivalent ratios are what material? Kirti, sorry. Okay, so equivalent ratios are two ratios that describe the same relationship. Ratio tables are what we use to organize that information to make it nice and clear. We did an example with lemonade and iced tea. And how many total cups were there in our ratio? Chloe? 4. Good. So our ratio was 1 to 3, with 4 being our total cups. We did a table, and what a lot of us did was we ended up adding across. As long as we keep plus 4, plus 4, plus 4, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, that going, you can absolutely solve it that way. That was, in fact, one of our rules. So, what is one of the rules? Chase, what is one of our rules? Good. So you can use adding and subtracting, which is what we just did in the one above it. Otherwise, we can multiply and divide equations as long as we're multiplying and dividing the same number to both quantities in that ratio. We can see that in this example with cats and dogs. We did multiply 2, multiply 2, multiply 3, multiply 3. We kept that consistent for each quantity in our ratio. We then did a challenge problem with sodium and crackers, and we learned that if you use friendly numbers, you won't even need a calculator, and you can just work with those numbers and what you know to solve it pretty easily. So a couple of our groups just divided by 3 top and bottom, divided by 4 top and bottom, and then they ended up multiplying by 5, and they were easily able to get 100 milligrams of sodium in the crackers. So what are our big takeaways? We can think of an equivalent ratio as what? Yes, an equivalent fraction. And we can think of our tables. Basically, the information in our tables, we're doing what method that we worked with fractions? Yeah, the bubble method. Yep. So you're basically bubble methoding in your table to solve these, to find those equivalent fractions.